Hi everyone, my name is Jaap and I'm one of the co-founders of Stuvia. In this tutorial, I'll be telling you quickly about how easy it is to start selling on Stuvia. I just created a profile, sell notes online, and I'm ready to upload. I can sell, either upload a document, create a flashcard, or if I've already done both, create a bundle. In this tutorial, I will start uploading a document. Uploading is super easy. First, you choose whether you want to upload for an exam, a course, or a subject. I will choose course. I will upload a file for my school, which is Virginia Commonwealth University, and the course I did was Marketing 320. I select the course, and then I can choose the file I want to upload. Afterwards, I describe my document, answering questions such as, is there a textbook linked to this document, or what's the name of the professor of the course? If you're done describing, you publish the document and it becomes instantly available on the platform. Potential buyers will then most likely find your document either to looking for a course or a book. So they search for international marketing, which is here, and they can see a course or a book. If I click on course, I'm redirected to this page, Marketing 320, for Virginia Commonwealth University, which lists all the documents that are available for this course, including the one I just uploaded. If you click on this document, you're redirected to the advertisement, which shows all of the information about the document, such as the title, the description, a couple of preview pages, ratings, the price, and all the other information you just provided, like the name of the professor or the classes which are covered in the document. If somebody is interested in the document and wants to purchase it, they can add it to the cart and then pay for it. After each payment or sale, you are sent an email saying, hey, you just sold the document. In this email, you immediately see how much you've earned and what your new balance is on the platform. If you've earned over the equivalent of $10, you can then cash out. Cashing out is done to your wallet on Stuvia. As you can see right here, I've earned $10.92, which I've been earning to selling two documents, one for $6.16, one for $4.76. I can then choose to withdraw the money. On this page, I am asked how much I want to cash out, my total balance, for example. And after providing some individual details about your bank and your name and the country in which you live, you can then withdraw the money. If I click on this right now, the money is being withdrawn to my bank account and my cash out is successful. All cash outs are processed every Monday, and within a few days, the money will be on your bank account. And that's it. That's how easy it is to start selling on Stuvia. If you want to learn more about the in-depth mechanics of the platform, please take a look at the other tutorials about uploading, creating flashcards, bundles, document splits, and everything there is to know about the platform. Well, good luck on making your first sale and see you soon.